Alright, this is my 1947 Smith Corona. It's a beautiful typewriter. I looked it up on the web to verify what model it is. It's either 1947 or 1949. It works great. I screwed in this little knob tighter today so it spins. The arm doesn't work, but I can type on it. I actually take this typewriter to the cafe and the bar, and I've actually had old men and women come up to me when they hear me typing with a tear in their eye. They well up. In some cases, they haven't heard the sound in 20 years. And no one minds that I bring the typewriter in. People like it. No one minds. It's not that loud. So people have their Apple laptops, and then I bring this in. It's actually really fun for me to type on it. It has a good feel. It's very physical to type, unlike a computer keyboard, which just doesn't quite do it for me. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Peace out.